just don't understand. You guys keep challenging me, hoping one day you're gonna defeat the wrestling chief. But that's something that's not gonna happen, and you know that too. But anyways, हमें यहाँ पे एक और challenge मिल चुका है, and हर बार की तरह the wrestling chief is going to take this challenge. हर बार की तरह we are going to be still undefeated. But notice I said we. That's because you, me, we're gonna take this challenge together. You, me, we're gonna walk out as the winner together. Anyways, now let's talk about this challenge. So guys, do you know what emojis are? You get the point. Basically हमें पे emojis को देखकर figure out करना है कि यहाँ पे किस wrestler की बात हो रही है. It's all about guessing the wrestler by emojis. By the way, ये challenge हमें दिया गया है by Dapper Harsh. Harsh, I have some harsh truth for you. Not only are we gonna take your little challenge, we're gonna smash it. Guys, smash like and subscribe button और इसी के साथ let's start. All right, 10 मिनट की वीडियो होने वाली है, so let's not waste time. Mike. I think we can turn off the music, right? So Mike and we have like two people. What? Mike plus brothers. The Singh. It's Singh. It's Singh. It's not Singh. It's Singh. Oh. Okay. By the way guys, कमेंट में ईमानदारी से कमेंट करना आप कितने यहाँ पे सही करते हो. Okay? No cheating. All right. Detective plus police. Boss man, big boss. All right. Is it a old school wrestler या फिर? All right. Can you guess it? I don't think I can. Rizango, why didn't मैंने क्यों नहीं सोचा इस बारे में? I know it's not going good, but अभी वीडियो बस literally शुरू हुई है. 10 में से बस 1 मिनट हुआ है अभी. We still have time to smash it. All right, let's go. I can guess it. It's Kurt Angle. It's definitely Kurt Angle. अभी तक तो टाइमर शुरू भी नहीं हुआ था. इमोजीज आने से पहले ही बता दिया मैंने. Just looking at the wrestling, the medal. All right. Who do you think? And by the way, as I said, ईमानदारी से कमेंट करना है, even if you are not succeeding. Kurt Angle, as I said, अभी तक का स्कोर 2 और 1 चल रहा है. But that's it. That's literally it. What's that? That's not a pussy. That's a fox. Alicia Fox? Right? Yep, there you go. Okay, 2-2 हो चुका है स्कोर फिर currently like लीड में नहीं है but at least बराबर है. Okay, Mountain man. Mountain. Okay, Mountain man? What the hell? Who's that? I don't know. Mountain plus boy. Yeah. How does that make sense? Mountain plus boy. How is it equal to Braun Strowman? इस क्या आप गेस कर पाए थे ये? Anyways, फिलहाल के लिए स्कोर अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है. I know it's 2-3. Let's continue. Okay, what's next? All right, Muscles. Beauty and the Beast. And what's the girl doing there? Alexa Bliss, I guess. Like Braun Strowman आया था तो शायद maybe अब Alexa Bliss, who knows? Okay, Muscles loves और वहाँ पे लड़की भी है. So Beauty and the Beast, arm hurt cup. What the hell, man? That's it. That's literally it. Raise your hand. No. This is tough. This is tough. This is tough. ऐसे कौन करता है? Oh come on, man. Okay, that's Lana because वो रूसेव का flag था शायद से, like Russia, and then we have this dancing girl. That has to be Lana. I'm positive. स्कोर क्या है मुझे याद नहीं है, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट्स 3-4 समथिंग लाइक दैट। ये सिजारो है, दिस इज डेफिनेटली सिजारो। ये प्लस सिंबल देखकर ही मैं बता सकता हूँ। Got it. All right, 4-4 स्कोर फिलहाल के लिए टाई हो चुका है। गोट कनाडा एंड पेपर। Hey, I think it's the list of it's Chris Jericho. Please. यार, we're going good. ऑलराइट, मेरे को ट्रम्पेट और ये देखकर जॉन सीना लग रहा है, बट अमेरिकन फ्लैग क्यों है? वैसे जॉन सीना भी अमेरिकन ही है, सो मे बी जॉन सीना, बिकॉज ये एंड ट्रम्पेट्स आई मीन इट हैज टू बी जॉन सीना, राइट? Officially in the lead. Yes, let's go. All right, what's this? Leaf. Okay, this is tough. Sheamus. Oh my god. I thought Sheamus was Irish. Guess the WWE wrestler. ये तो Viper. Literally, that's Viper, and there's Randy Orton. So it has to be Randy Orton, right? By the way, as I said, no cheating, ईमानदारी. Let me know in the comment section आप कितने यहाँ पे सही guess करते हो। Randy Orton, it has to be Randy Orton. Talk plus Snake. They talk to me. Yes, let's go. Okay, ये क्या है? Booker T. Of course it's Booker T. We got it, man. We got it. That's a good. That was nice. Actually, you know what? This challenge is actually very interesting. I will admit. Harsh bhai. Good. Book plus T. Booker T. Got him. So that has to be the dead man, of course. I hope it's the Undertaker. Man plus Coffin, absolutely. It's the Undertaker. Let's go. We got this, guys. We're officially leading. Okay, that's probably Kane. Like literally, that is Kane. C-A-N-E. Kane. We need Kane. Yes, Kane. That's Kane. My God, that's Kane. Up to like we don't have to even count the scores because we are in like बहुत ही ultimate lead पे हैं. Muscle plus gun. Big guns. I have no idea. हल्क होगन। वैसे वो गन्स नहीं बोलता था इनको, या फिर I don't know वो क्या बोलता था। I don't have any idea, but big guns I guess, या फिर क्या बोलोगे आप इसे? muscle gun, arm gun, Hulk Hogan. Why am I so good at this? That's it, we got this. Harsh bhai, that was a good challenge. I really enjoyed it, but that wasn't enough. Matter of fact, I want more. If you have any challenge, let me know in the comment section. या फिर you can reach me out on Instagram या फिर on Twitter. Challenge me. Defeat me. I'm begging you. Because no one has been able to do that. Anyways, this is the part where I ask you, आपने कितने सही आंसर किए? ईमानदारी से कमेंट करके let me know in the comment section how many did you get right. Anyways, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई, make sure to leave a like, सब्सक्राइब कर दो इस चैनल को अगर आपको ऐसी वीडियोस और देखनी है. Let me know in the comment section that you truly enjoy these videos. If you do, I will keep on doing more with or without these challenges. I will figure something out, guys. And also, I was in little bit of a character, तो कभी-कभी जरा एड्रेलिन चढ़ जाता है, you know, एड्रेलिन in my soul, तो कभी-कभी मैं कुछ ज़्यादा बोल देता हूँ, बुरा मत मानना. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed it. मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में. Till then, you know what to do. The bell.